You are watching Crazy ATV News.
Today we're going to do a science experiment. Try to balance all these nails to one nail. Wait. Grace. Wait. Hey.
Aaron.
Hey.
It's hard. Okay, let me try it this way. Ah! Ah! Hurry, Aaron. Do the rest of it. Hurry, I'll hold it. I need more hands. My feet.
Get the other one. No, we have no hands.
No. Okay, we don't have hands. We did like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We did 7.
We give up and we're gonna watch YouTube how to do. You have to get this and get these 3. Oh.
I'll do the line right here straight.
Wait.
Stamp, stamp.
No, not done. And last you have to put this. So we build it and let's put it.
Yay!
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.